G'day everyone, I'm here at Oakleigh, which is Little Athens, as you can see over there, where all the Greeks come, so Kalimera Elada. We've got the main shopping strip here, that is Atherton Road there, which goes on to Warragul Road, and so all the way down here is all Greek shops. Well, not only Greek, but mainly Greek, but yeah, I hope you enjoy the video. Okay, now we're walking down the actual arcade here in Oakleigh, which is all Greek shops. It's Greek inspired. As you can see, everyone's sitting down on their tables. There you go. It's pretty cosmopolitan, pretty European now. They've made it, it's almost like a little Greece. So we've got souvlaki, gyro wraps. Okay, pretty busy here with people. Mainly Greeks, but anyone can come here. So this is like the Little Athens. Little Athens. Μικρή Ελλάδα, στην Αυστραλία. There's a few stores here selling all sorts of bric and brac. We got kέντρο, breakfast, lunch and dinner. Obviously shops inside there. But most of the people sitting out here, which is a very Mediterranean feel, where they have all the people sitting outside. Let's see if I don't run through the pigeons. It's spot the Aussie here. I'm sure there would be plenty of them, but it's mainly a lot of Europeans here, a lot of Greeks. And we've got the famous Nikos cakes here, Nikos cakes, which we're going to go later and get a couple of cakes. So it's a pretty decent shop in here. And it's pretty noisy here at the moment. A lot of Greek shops here. Mykonos Taverna, a bit of the Greek islands. Γεια σου. Κατευθείαν την Ελλάδα πάει. Okay, that was the guy just saying hello in Greek to me. And there you go, that's Nikos cakes there. And obviously we got the famous Limnos butchers here, which is basically a Greek butcher shop. Okay, in here we have the Oakley Market, which is not Greek based, but just a normal market. So we'll just go in there and explore that and check it out. Let's see, Oakley Market. Just walk in here, it's just a little market, little walk through where you have your little chicken, poultry, meat there, and then we have our all our delicatessen cheeses and so on. Very, there you go, a bit of Greek inspired products there. Nuts. Okay, here we are, still walking around in Oakleigh. Plenty of people out. It's probably about 1 o'clock today. Well, the time is 1 o'clock, so we'll just keep walking around. again you have all the umbrellas and chairs outside, with everyone having their coffees and these Greek desserts. We go past the Nikos cakes. Got a few shops here. We've got Monastiraki, which is a Greek suburb of Athens, and they've turned it into a shop here in Oakleigh. As you can see there, we got Monastiraki, and yeah, so we're just walking down the street here. Okay, we're here at Warrawee Park here in Oakleigh, and this is where they have the Greek Lendi, which is a Greek festival. Once a year, they usually have it in November, and it's full of tents and stalls, and then they have a stage. Yeah, so it's not too bad. And usually the people that work around here come here for lunch and enjoy their afternoon. Okay, here we have Cosmos Deli, Greek delicatessen, Greek products, and then we've got a Greek bakery here. As you can see there, Ελληνικός φούρνος, or Greek bakery in English, with nice Greek delights. Here we have Laiki Agora, which means the people's market. It's just a delicatessen. All sorts of products from Greece. We've got Karas Tours, which is pretty much everything to do with Greece here. Just all sorts of merchandise. Inside Monastiraki Arcade. It's just a few shops. It doesn't go far. I think that's about it. It's like a little marketplace. I think that's about it. Γεια σας.
Ωραία. Ήρθε την έφερε. Δεν ξέρω τι φέρανε.